In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a sold vehicles page to your website and how to manage what vehicles go onto that page. So I'm just going to start out by going into Edit Site. And your website will come with a sold vehicles page pre-built, but we're not going to have it linked anywhere. If we go up into our pages section, we can see it here. We'll go into that page. This is what your sold page is going to look like. So you have your title and subtitle here you can edit, just clicking. And then this is where all our vehicles are going to populate. So we can't edit this in the page builder. These vehicles are automatically going to populate from any vehicles that we've marked sold in our inventory, as well as vehicles that have been deleted from our inventory. So all the vehicles that you delete or that you mark sold get moved into your archived vehicles. And I'll go back to the dashboard and show you how you can manage those vehicles. So if we go over into Inventory Manager and we'll go to Add Edit Vehicles. So this is all my active inventory. If I were to go into this first vehicle here and I marked this as sold and save changes. Now if I go back into my inventory, you'll see that vehicle's been marked sold here. So if I go into Archive Vehicles, it's going to show up. Also, if I were to delete a vehicle, say if I took this white truck here and I hit the red X and delete that, that's also going to be moved into my archive. So if I go back into Archive Vehicles, you can see that white truck here. And so all the archive vehicles are going to be what populate your sold vehicles page. If I go back into my sold vehicles page, you'll see them all. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you over here on the right, there is a delete button. And if you want to permanently delete a vehicle so it doesn't show up on your sold vehicles page, you just go ahead and hit delete here. So I'll just delete this white truck. This will permanently delete the vehicle from your account. If you need to recover it, you can either ask us within 30 days or just re-upload the vehicle. Now I'm going to go back into my website. And we're going to want to put a link to the sold vehicles page. So I'm going to go to Menu Manager, add new item. I'll call it sold vehicles. And we'll just link that to the sold page. Now I'm going to save my changes and publish to make it live. And now we can go into our sold vehicles page and you can see it's all populated here. If I click on one, I can either click on the different vehicles at the bottom or I can cycle through. And that's how you add a sold vehicles page to your website. That's all for this tutorial.